Hello everyone, this is Amir from FRAMINGSTOry. Today I will show brown color grading effect. This is very cool against sky and green, something like grass or tea. And another interesting thing, it also works with wedding photo. I will show it at the end of our tutorial, and I will provide this action download link in description. You download it and use it. Let's make it. Now just copy this layer. Next we'll go to camera raw filter. I will do some vignetting very early. Next I'll go to calibration, and from here I will put the blue maximum or around 80, green maximum, and I will work with the red saturation. Okay, I will enhance little bit red. Next I will go to HLC adjustment. From here I will go to red around 10 to 15, and I will work with Aqua around minus 33 or 35. Okay. Next I will go to red. Okay. Now I will work with basic adjustment. I will enhance the vibrance around 70 to 80, and I will reduce the saturation around minus 30. Now I will work with curve tone. I'll put a point here and here also. Now I'll add a magnetic effect. Okay. Now we'll check before and after. This is really dramatic change in a few minutes. Now we'll check with how does it work with other images. I've already created this action for you. Let's check. This is really pretty cool. Before, after, before, after. Now I'll check with another image. This is also cool. And finally, most interesting thing, I didn't know this is work with wedding or not, but later on I have checked with the wedding and it does work with wedding photograph. Let's check with this effect. This is pretty cool, isn't it? Let's check before and after. So for this kind of tutorial, stay with us and put your valuable comment on comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.